Okay, a lot of people have trouble with their showers not getting hot enough, and the main reason is there's a anti-scalding knob inside of the valve body here that stops the handle of the faucet from going too far to the hot. They start at the cold position, they continue to rotate, and when they hit the stop, you can't go any further, and that limits the amount of hot water coming into the valve to the set position on the anti-scald device, which is a little plastic ring inside the body of the valve here. So if you want to get hotter water, you got to get this handle to move further to the left or counterclockwise. You do that by rotating a little ring inside this valve. This is a Delta Series 1314, Series 13 or 14 valve, and we'll show you how it works. So it's a pretty easy fix. And put it, pretty much it's you just take the ring off, and there's a screw inside here that holds the handle on. And whether you have this series valve or another one, they all pretty much get to the anti-scalding device by taking the handle off. So this is where you need to get to in this valve. And if you want more hot water on this one, they all have a way to adjust this ring. On this ring, there is each one of these little lines can be anywhere from 5 to 10 degrees when you move it. The reason they have this adjustment on here is supposed to be set by whoever installs it, where at whatever temperatures this ring is set, where the temperature does not get higher than 120 degrees. And that's to prevent, accidental scalding of children or someone if they turn the faucet all the way on and it overheats and they walk into it. So probably what's happening is if you have water that's not hot enough in your shower, you just need to adjust this ring. This one's pretty easy. This one you just pull it forward and then you can rotate it. And by rotating it counterclockwise or to the left, you can get more hot water. So if you look at my handle now, starting at the 0 position, before it stopped right here, and now it continues further over to the left. It goes more counterclockwise. So now all we did was, by rotating this counterclockwise, the mechanical stop that stops the handle from turning is more to the left. And by going further over to the left, you're opening more hot water to come in the valve. It's that simple. Make that adjustment, and you should have hot water. Again, if you wanted to truly do it according to the way the code is set up, you would make this adjustment, run it at the highest temperature right here, and measure to see if your water does not exceed 120 degrees. But anyway, that's how you can make that adjustment and easily raise the temperature of your shower.